Hello everyone, welcome back to E46 channel. My name is Indrit and today I'm gonna show you how you can take care of the leather seats. It's really good to have them. They make the car look great, the interior look really cool, but on the other side you gotta keep up with it. You gotta clean it, and it is not easy. As clean as it looks when it is clean, it is not that easy to keep it clean, to maintain it that way. And today I'm gonna show you how you can do that. It is very easy to do. Like, you don't need any tools or any you don't need to be a professional at it. It's very easy, just minor tools. Of course, we're gonna need a lot of microfiber towel. I would start with the soapy water because I'll explain it in a second. It's good to have, and it helps a lot to get the dirt out of the leather pores. We're gonna use a few brushes to agitate the dirt from the leather pores, and then I like the Mother's product, so I'm gonna use this VLR, vinyl leather rubber. It cleans, conditions, and protects, it says. It's really good. Before I've used another product, but I like this one too. And then on top of it we have the leather cream. It's very low, but it's gonna help me clean one more time. And for the dash, I wouldn't recommend using the Mother's product. I like the Armor All, the protector. It's especially for to shine, like for plastic areas like the dash. And I really like this product. I've been using this for a long time now, and it helps keep it clean, not oily, and then shine. Like, I'm gonna show you at the end what I mean by it. And anyways, let's get into it. So first things first, I'm gonna vacuum a little bit to get all these big chunks and all the dust from the seat and under there, because you don't want, once you drive or you turn the air conditioner on, the dust to come back up to it. So the vacuum is first. Give you the car a good vacuum, and then we'll start with the steps to clean the seats. Okay, something you need to be careful is where the seats attaches together, like in the corners, like this one here or there. Just make sure you open them a little bit, like push in one side, because there is a lot of dirt over there. This one you can see a few things, but this is worst. And if you don't open the channel a little bit, you're still gonna have some dirt over there. As soon as you see it, the dirt is gonna come out and it's gonna go back on the seat again. So just open it a little bit and vacuum it, and it should be fine. And step number one is soapy water. So we'll get the seat wet with soapy water, and then we're gonna start aggravating the dirt with the brush, and then we're gonna have to wipe that, because something important you guys need to keep in mind about this process is that never let any of the products, including the soapy water, to dry on your seat. So get it wet, agitate it, wipe it, dry it out, and then move to the next product or next step, whatever it is gonna be. Don't ever let the conditioner, the product, the water, whatever, to dry on your seat, because all the dirt that you aggravated and you got out of the leather pores, it is gonna dry again, and it's gonna go back where it was. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, I'll use the brush. You can use microfiber towel or whatever to aggravate the dirt, but I find the brush that works better because it gets into the leather pores and makes it everything easier. It's time to wipe it off. There. You guys can see it is already dirty. Don't forget the headrest. Do the same thing there because it's oily, greasy. Okay, and that was step number 1. So we'll move on to the step number 2, which is the mother's product protector. Okay, before you move on to the product, make sure that the seat is completely dry and ready to move on. It is recommended, if you look at the instructions on the product there, it says spray the vinyl leather rubber mother's product into a soft microfiber instead of spraying it straight on the seat. So we'll do so, and make sure you follow the instructions on every product you use, because otherwise you are gonna cause damage to it instead of helping it. And step number 2 is done, so let it dry, and then we're gonna move forward to the cream. So with a dry microfiber towel, we have to wipe the entire seat to make sure that it's completely dry before we move to the next step. And the last step is the conditioner. You don't have to do this if you like until to the cleaning step, like the second step. You can leave it right there. It's good, you can go ahead, but the conditioner is to keep the leather soft, protect the color, protect it from cracking, and it helps like extend the leather life and keep it look new all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I'm almost done with this conditioner, but anyways, I still have enough for this time. I'm probably gonna go ahead and order another one. Okay, I'm gonna leave the seat like that for a little bit while I do the other part, and then I'm going to wipe it with a dry microfiber towel. Last thing to do is just wipe it with a another clean dry microfiber towel, and that is it for this job. So we'll go ahead. And that is gonna be the video for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please share it with friends, and if you have any car questions, please leave it on the comment below, and I'll try to help you with as much information I have about whatever it is gonna be. And if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.